That's it. I'm going to create a phase 2. Okay, for my entire life, I'm gonna destroy the city and make a clone. This is nothing happens for today. In charge for today. Let's rule this world. Whoa, that works. Why? Is that a baby? Don't talk back to me. Gotta be grounded for a month. How are you very strong? Like this. We need this. Like this. Roses are red, violets are blue. Maybe me, that's my hat. Come back! Oh my god. This has been a bad day. Well, I'm gonna be stronger soon. Like a bitch, yeah? Baby alone in the street? That's very horrible. Oh, little guy, I'll take you home with a bitch. Like this, and... Oh my god! Now there are 2 babies. Oh my god! This is... Wait. No! Don't do that! Beep 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 beep. Oh my fucking god, it's dead. Oh god, no one's hurt. Like a bitch. God, my fucking face. Hat baby me, where is it? You know that dong 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 that is making that sound. You really? I think your baby's messed up. I think I'm gonna turn into FIFA. Oh my goodness, this has been such a bad day. Like this, I'm not gonna cast my voice. Is that black baby? Oh, poor little guy. Let me take you home of a bitch like this, and I will not eat you. What? There's now 3 babies. Come on. Hey, watch out of there. You're gonna fall and then just walk like me. Dang dong, dang dong, dong dang dang, dang dong, dang dong dong. Hey, stop, do this. Yes, I will make you calm. Calm, I said calm. Bye. What happened? I'm blooded. Like, just recording like this, like a bitch. You know, she went that. Oh my god, we're gonna make a daycare for my little black kid. Like this, it's gonna be a good day. Like this, and I'll open the Sprunky Fest to celebrate. Wait, is that a baby? Oh, is that a baby? Ew, even they don't like it's like a bitch. Oh my goodness, like, no, 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 no. No! Ah! Baby attack! Ah! 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 Ah!
Ikaw din ang mak ang giputik yaw. Tiklo doon na kada karon.
There's Is that a baby bee? That's very adorable. I wish I wanted to be a father. Where are you going, you little maid? I think I cannot make walk sounds. You sure? I'm gonna open the spunky fest. Hold this. Huh? What? Whoa! Excuse me? No, I'm gonna turn into Rally Phase 3. You stupid little baby. Come here. Hey, what happened, Ratty? That red baby is trying to chase me with pointy horn ears. And like normal. Like this. And now I have a skull. Like, oh my god, I'm dead. Come on, I gotta run. Hey, Mr. Baby Black, it's time for do this. The daycare is very fucking over. Hey, we'll just go home and have a fucking rest, okay? Or you'll be grounded forever. You know, in phase 2, even when I unlock phase 2, like this, and I will defeat Sky getting impaled. I don't know why this happens. All of the 4 babies have been like this. They've been coughing for years and years. Dong, 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 dong. Hey, stop! King, king. Hey, let's do this. I don't know how to do it. Hey, follow our read. Read. I feel sleepy. Huh? Lullaby? Lullaby is not for babies. It's just for kids. Well, I don't know. This happens when I keep coughing like this.
We probably
disagree with that Black.